Um, I will be using my Brandvoice document, and I actually teach how to find that if you don't already have it, so you don't know what it is. I have a funnel that will walk you through that. I will attach if you want to get one. It's perfect for creating content that sounds like you. It's kind of like number one thing that people should probably do before they make any kind of content from AI, because AI sounds robotic otherwise. It ends up sounding like everybody else. So by creating your brand voice, you can create your voice in things. So here is the secret formula framework. So I am just going to click can we begin to start off with. We're going to walk step by step through Russell Brunson's secret formula from your uploaded framework, starting with step one, who is your dream customer? And let's start clarifying together. Who do you most want to help? What's your profession or role? What are your top goals? So if you don't have a brand voice, you're going to want to go through and you're going to answer all these questions, okay? I, however, have a brand voice. So I am going to copy this down first. If I can find it. I just had it. Why is it not? Oh, there it is. Line. Okay. So this here is my brand voice. And my offer, I'm going to give you my offer because I created an offer. If you don't know your offer, that's okay. I have other GPTs that will also help you through that if you'd like. Otherwise, so let me get my offer. Here we go. Oh, my offer, not his offer. Okay. All right. Automation tools combining GPTs, Canva, Gamma, high level for automation. So your offer can serve two levels: done with you, done for you, your dream customer. So it's creating for me right now a female avatar and a male avatar, which is something that you really want to get. You want to be able to target your offers. You want to target certain people. You don't want a broad offer. It's so much better if you can target. So it gave me a female avatar, the time stretch coach, a busy heart-led coach who wants to automate content that sounds like her without losing authenticity. Then we have the male avatar, the strategy creator or strategic creator, a results-driven coach or course creator who's ready to scale with authentic automation systems. Okay. Are these still your two primary dream customers for your new AI content and automation setup offer? And I would say yes. If you want to tweak them, tweak them. You can do whatever you want in this GPT. It's going to help you get through it. Step one, your dream customer. They're driven by freedom, authenticity, visibility. They've tried doing content manually, but they're stuck between burnout and inconsistency. They value clarity, connection, and systems that make growth easier. time stretch coach. So it's going to give me everything about her, buying triggers, her struggles, what she wants most. And then they're going to go to the male avatar, Chris, strategic creator, what he wants most. Your dream customers are coaches and creators who crave authentic growth and smarter AI systems. Next up, we're going to go to step 2. Where are they? Where are they at right now? You want to know where they're at, where they're hanging out, where you're going to be, where you need to go. And you need to get into these groups, and you need to start commenting. You need to start giving value in these groups. That is how you're going to get customers. I know people who get customers, get all their customers from doing that. Okay, so I'm going to say I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Because some of you are not sure. Which is okay. It's going to kind of base it off of what they are and what their niche is. So where are they congregating? Platforms they spend time on: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn. Yes. So Facebook groups and communities. This is where I would see Jess and Chris using most, were these ones: Facebook groups and communities. And these are the possible examples of what groups they would probably be in. Influencers, podcasts they probably follow, where they learn, search how to grow each on Facebook. And these are places that they're probably hanging out in. This is the places that you want to be. Which platforms and influencer names feel most accurate? I am going to say authentic marketing, content. I would say this one. Social media strategy, this one. I'm going to say her as well. And I would say, and I would say Facebook mostly. Facebook and LinkedIn. All right, so just nail down where my audience hangs out and who influences their buying and content decisions. Okay. So top platforms: Facebook, LinkedIn. Active communities and groups: Build GPTs and Brand with AI, which is my own group. Women Coaches and Collective, AI for Entrepreneurs, Coaches on a Mission, Facebook Marketing for Coaches, Authentic Content Creators Network. These are representative. They can swap for exact ones later. Influencers and thought leaders they follow, which are the Vanessa Lau, Jasmine Star, Jenna Kutcher, Amy Porterfield. Okay? Search habits they often Google or search: how to grow my Facebook reach, AI content ideas for coaches, and so on. Your audience hangs out on Facebook and LinkedIn. Follow us, okay? Next up is step 3. What bait will attract them? This is where we design your lead magnets, freebies, quick wins, and pulls Jess and Chris into your world. So we're just focusing on our avatars. We are not focusing on everybody else, just those 2. Okay. Mini training, quiz, or audit, a short guide. Once you share what feels best. All right. What small, fast wins could they achieve? I would say a quiz or audit. Or this. And obviously, if you guys, when you're doing yours, if you know specifically what they would want or what you could give away for free or to draw them in, you put that here, okay? I'm just, for the sake of being fast, this is what I'm putting. To reiterate, in the beginning, I put my brand voice and my offer in to get this started. You can go through and answer all the questions one by one. That would probably be good if you don't have a brand voice. Okay. Your audience wants to know how close they are to consistent, authentic visibility, and they want a quick win that shows them what's possible with AI. Here are 5 lead magnets designed to fit your brand voice and new offers. We have a quiz. What's your AI visibility score? Discover how well your current content system is really working. Okay? Uh-oh. Keep going. We're going to have to do that over. I don't know what's going on. All right. What bait will attract them? Is motivated by clarity, quick wins, confidence. And we got the 5 lead magnets that fit my brand voice. So we have a high AI content confidence quiz. We have a reach readiness audit, a 7-day AI visibility toolkit, AI content system starter pack, and your authentic reach formula guide. I also have a brand voice funnel that takes you through your brand voice, your ideal client, your buying beliefs, your reframing of buying beliefs, and I think that's it, which is free. Okay, next up, step 4. What result will you deliver? What transformation does your paid offer? How does it look before working? How does it look before working with you, and how does it look after? Okay. So let's see. Does a paid offer create? Well, before they are struggling to create authentic content, and after they have a brand voice and content that sounds like them. Okay. So, strong transformational statement. Using the secret formula structure. Before working with you, your clients are stuck spending hours trying to write authentic posts that still don't sound like them. My transformation statement options are: I help coaches and creators turn inconsistent robotic content into authentic brand voice systems that grow their reach and save hours every week. Empathetic: I help busy coaches create authentic content that actually sounds like them so they can show up consistently, connect deeply, and grow without burnout. I help entrepreneurs automate their content with AI that sounds human, turning chaos into a system that scales their reach effortlessly. I want to say, can you deliver transfer? Okay, we're ready for the final step. Build your one-page secret formula map. Right? Which I'm just gonna say 3 here. Copy, paste. There we go. Now it's gonna build my secret formula map. Email avatar, just the stretch of coach, male, Chris the strategic creator, where they congregate, the ideas, results you deliver. All right, here we go. Huh. So this is something that you're going to keep. You would put this in a Google Sheets so that you have it. Okay. Then we'll be doing the hook story offer framework next. Those frameworks. So we'll keep this. We'll probably use this, and I will see you in the next video. I really hope this helped for you guys.